Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. Today in this short video I would like to unbox my latest laptop with all of you guys. It's my second laptop in life and the first laptop I will show you that also. I will make a separate video for that. That's very special for my life. That changed my entire life and my luck. This is also gonna be very helpful for me, for especially programming and making data science projects. As you know that I am a data science guy. I make data science projects and also try to use generative AI. So today in this video I'd like to unbox my latest Dell laptop with all of you guys. Let's start unboxing and let's see what are the features contained in this laptop. Let's discuss more. I can't resist myself starting the unboxing, so let's start. Here it is. It's a Dell laptop, as you can see, and where is the adapter? So here is the adapter, as you can see, black, and I like actually this color. It's not full white. It's like still silver color. I like it very much. Yes, so let's see what are the features contained in this laptop. So for that, let's first open the laptop and show you. Just a minute, let me open that. Okay. So you see here, this is the laptop. Let me do it more. Yeah, now it's look good. So this is the my laptop. You can see it's a very fresh Intel Core i7 13th generation laptop, and it's a very new one from the Dell technologies, just launched, and it's Inspiron i15. As you can see, it's Inspiron i15, and it has like 15.6 full HD display. It has a webcam which is full HD, and also it has three-sided narrow borders. And also it has HDMI, as usual, HDMI ports, USB ports, and split resisted keyboard. Actually, this keyboard is backlit keyboard, which is better than the normal keyboard, and it's I like this one actually. And as you can see, it has graphics, Intel Irish graphics, which is much better than the regular which I used before. That's Intel UHD graphics, and it has a storage of 1 terabyte and with RAM 16 GB. I actually wanted to buy 32 GB, but later thought that 32 GB is more than my budget, so I would like to buy the NVIDIA GPU later on, but for now I think 16 GB is fine for me to work on, and it will definitely help me for my codings, to build the data science projects, to build web applications and so on. And this is my second laptop in life, as I told you, and I really like this laptop. Let's open it maybe. So guys, the PC setup is finally finished after a long time. it takes a time, but finally it finished. And this is the interface. It looked like the desktop you see here, desktop base. And yeah, the backlit keyboard looks very nice. The very fresh, cool keyboard. I liked it. And it's a very good system. I wanted to buy the Linux one operating system, but later thought Windows is more user friendly for me, so I took it. So that's it. Thank you.